Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your policy documents with State Farm, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your policy documents with State Farm, start by visiting the official State Farm website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up option. Once logged in, navigate to the Documents or Policies section of your account. Here, you will find a list of all your insurance policies. Select the policy for which you want to back up documents. Look for an option that says Download, Print, or Save for the policy documents. Click on this option to begin downloading your documents in PDF format. Ensure that you have a reliable PDF reader installed on your device for easy access. Choose a secure location on your device or cloud storage for saving these documents. After downloading, it's wise to print a hard copy for your records. Consider organizing the printed documents in a dedicated folder or binder. For added security, back up the digital files to an external storage device. Alternatively, you may use cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox for additional access. Make sure to regularly update your backups whenever you receive new policy documents. Review your backup process at least once a year to ensure everything is current. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive backup of your State Farm policy documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.